Focus. Take a deep breath. Just focus down. Find a spot on your shoes. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, imagine your leg is becoming very heavy. Take another deep breath. And as you exhale, imagine that your leg is becoming very, very heavy. Can you feel a little heaviness? Take another deep breath. And this time when you exhale, your leg becomes so heavy, it will feel like it's glued to the floor, locked and glued. When you really feel that your leg is completely glued and you're not able to lift your leg, try to lift your leg and find you cannot lift. Try to lift, but you cannot. Try. Both the legs are stuck now. You cannot lift your leg. Try. Both the legs are stuck. Good. Give me your hand. Put your hand on your head here. And as your legs are stuck, your hand is stuck to your head and you cannot remove your head. Try, but you cannot. The harder you try, the more tighter. What is your name?
Mr.
Huh?
Mr.
Look at my hand. What's your name?
Mr.
Your name gone. What's your name? Come back. Yeah. Now, release. Relax.